Hello guys, it's your girl Rebecca here. How is everyone doing? I hope you're doing amazing. Happy Christmas Eve. I got my Lola Beauty Box in the mail today. I've been waiting for this for almost a month and it's finally here. I have no clue what's in it. So if you would like to see what is in my Lola Beauty Box for the month of December, this is a $21 a month box subscription. So if you want to see what I got, please stay tuned and let's get into this video. It is Christmas Eve. Can't believe tomorrow's Christmas. Anyway, I got my Lola Beauty Box in the mail today. Let's open it up and see what goodies are in here. This is a $21 monthly subscription box. I have no clue what is in this because normally I do keep up with what I'm going to get, but I haven't been and I haven't been really watching or anybody's or looking on Facebook. So you open it up and it looks like this. Wow! See this card. I love it when they have cards. It says it's the most wonderful time of year. And it has 5 items and it has the prices too. So we are going to pick this up first. Ooh, this is the Esmeralda 2 by Beauty Creations. In this box, they give you like Beauty Creations. They've been giving us Beauty Creation eyeshadow palettes for the past few months. I have all of them except maybe two. Two of them I don't have because I wasn't subscribed to them. But most of the time I have all of them. Ooh! That is pretty. This looks like it's kind of like a knockoff for the Too Faced Gold palette. A little bit because it has like golds in it. That's what it looks like. It has a mirror. So yes, here I'm gonna swatch some of these. Ooh, they're so soft too. They don't have names, but I'm going to swatch some of these colors. Look at that. That's beautiful. Woo! I love it when they're like this. Ooh, you like it when it's like that? When those colors are blinging. Blinging, blinging, blinging. Yes. And then they have, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 mats, and then they have 1, 2, 3, like 3 really glittery kind, and the other ones are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The other ones are like they have glitter in, but they're not like as like sparkle. But it's okay, and don't mind my dog barking. He wants me up on the bed right now, and I'm not going up on that bed. Yes, and he's just barking, he's talking, saying, get up on this bed, mama. Get up on this bed, mama. Okay. Oh yeah, and this retails for $11.99. It's the Beauty Creations Esmeralda 2. I wonder what Esmeralda 1 is. I don't know. What? But you don't need it. You're fine, honey. The next thing I have here. Oh, I think I've had this before, but in a smaller container. It's the Eslor, E-S-L-O-R. It's the, I can't even say it. It's some lifting mask. Recommended for oily carbonation and dry skin. It's like a, I think it's, what is it? It's $20. It's a skin tightening mask. So it is a mask, but it's skin, it helps tighten. Oh, whoa! I'm glad I didn't like dump that out. It smells kind of minty. It looks like that. It's like gel. It's gel consistency. See? So yes. And it has a lid that closes. Whoops. Kind of got it on me. But it closes. And then this goes on top of it and it screws over. So there's that. It smells like, it kind of smells like a men's cologne. Okay, so the next thing I got is from Bang Beauty. I always get something from Bang Beauty. And this is in Daring. Hopefully this is not broken because normally they are broken. I think it is broken. Hold on, let me see how much this is. Bang Beauty. I think this is the one from the last time that I had, and it had broke, and I think this is the one that they put it. Oh, good, it's not broken. Whew! Thought it was. It's a blush. Ooh, it's blush, blush, blush. It's right here. You can kind of see it. There is that. I think this was just from when I got the one box and it had broke, and so that they put that in there. I can see. Let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So yes. And I think they gave me some extra items in here. Okay, so then I got a brush, and it is from I think they may have gave me some extra items because my other items broke. They never sent me the eyeshadow palette that had broke. This is by Mint Pier. It's a round, soft blend brush, like a blending brush. This retails for $24. So there's that. This is an Echo Bella made in Mexico Royal Blue. I think it's Royal Blue. It's a natural soft liner. So it's a Royal Blue eyeliner. And it retails for $17.95. So the next thing I have is the Real Her Metal Liquid Lipstick in Be Brave, and this is $21. It looks like it's maybe a pink. This is Real Her. Real Her is has really good lipstick. I actually have a red lipstick. I wanted to kind of do like a Christmas look, like a Christmas look, and use my red lipstick. I may do that. Still, I'm just not feeling good. So let's see. But stop that barking. I do not know what you're barking at. Like, seriously. Whoops. So it looks like this, and this is Be Brave, and they, with the Real Her lipsticks, oh, excuse me, they do like expressions, like quotes that are uplifting and stuff. Let's see. Ooh, I like this. And it's really, really thick. It's full coverage, I will tell you that. It'll only maybe take you one swipe to do your whole lip. But this is what it looks like. It's really, 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 really pretty. Really pretty. It does have like a metallicness to it. I cannot wait to try this because it just looks pretty. I need to exfoliate my lips. So then I can use it, you know. It's beautiful. I bet this with an eye look with one of these. Ooh, that looks sexy. With maybe that color right there. And so that's everything I got in this box. Yep, it's empty. I love this subscription. I have a year subscription on this box, so, and I get it every month, so I don't have to pay monthly. But yes, I love this subscription. It is amazing. I may give some of these items away. Don't know. Probably not. But yes. Thank you for watching this video. If you're not already, please subscribe to this channel and join the beautiful butterflies. And you guys are amazing and unique. Don't forget that. And please subscribe to this channel and my second channel if you would like. Bye guys.